Welcome to all of you class 6. In this video we will see the exercise of chapter 7, that is formula and function in Microsoft Excel. Later on I will tell you how you have to do the exercise of chapter 9, because chapter 8 have been already eliminated, but I will teach you chapter 8 also, but you need not to do the exercise of chapter 8. Chapter 9 exercise you have to do. So let's start with chapter 7 exercise, that is formula and function. So I will request to all of you, please open page number 106. Page number 106. Exercise, tick the correct option. That is chapter formula and function. Class 6. Formula and function in Excel. That is chapter 7. First is MCQ, that is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct option, that is MCQ also. So tick the correct option. Let's see. First is A. What is A? A sequence of cell-reference mathematical function or operator to do calculation is called. A sequence of cell-reference मैथमेटिकल फंक्शन और ऑपरेटर, तो जिसमें मैथमेटिकल फंक्शन या ऑपरेटर हो और सेल रेफरेंस हो, सीक्वेंस हो, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? दैट इज फॉर्मूला. तो सेकेंड ऑप्शन विल बी करेक्ट, फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला. बी, come to B. B is in Excel the formula begin with and. It's a equal to sign. Let's see the option. Second option. B. Second. A formula begin with an equal to sign. Equal to sign. C. The unique address of cell in Excel worksheet is called. The unique address of cell, that is cell reference. C. Which option is there in cell reference? Second option is there. So the second option will be correct. What is the option? Cell reference. Now come to the D. A range name must start with a. Range name must start with a letter. Which option? First option, letter. E. Built-in formula in Excel or called, that is function. Which option? Third option, function. And F. F is the operator that produce the logical value of true or false. The operator that produce the logical value. So it will be comparison operator. And option is first, comparison operator. Comparison operator. So it's MCQ. Our next exercise is fill in the blanks. So let's see. Second, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A. Dash and dash are two types of data in Excel. So that answer is constant and formula. Constant. And second option will be formula. Two blanks are there. In this fill in the blanks, two blanks are there. So first will be constant, second will be formula. Formula. B. Excel immediately recognize any subsequent data as a dash when it begins with an equal to sign. It will be formula. Second, formula. जब भी इक्वल टू से साइन स्टार्ट होता है कोई भी डेटा it means that is formula. आपका formula शुरू हो रहा है. Third and C, a unique address in worksheet is also called. अभी मैंने बताया unique address of worksheet, unique address of cell in a worksheet. So it's cell reference. Cell reference. It will be cell reference. D. D is a group of dash in a worksheet is called range. Cells, group of cells. Group of cells in a worksheet is called cell range. E. Dash operator used to perform mathematical calculation, that is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Okay, it's arithmetic operator. A formula help you to dash and dash in your worksheet. Or formula help you to dash and dash in your worksheet. So calculate and analyze. Calculate, a formula help you to calculate and analyze in your worksheet. Calculate and analyze. G. Next question. Dash feature will quickly copy formula across row or column. So which feature will quickly copy formula across row and column? That is auto sum feature. That is auto sum feature. Auto sum feature. Auto sum doesn't means only sum. That is used for multiplication, max function, min function, sum function, subtract, division function. So auto sum is a group of related function. It will quickly add formula either row or column. And H. Dash allows you to perform calculation while typing long and complex formulas. That will be function. H. That will be function. फंक्शन क्या करता है? कॉम्प्लेक्स कैलकुलेशंस को परफॉर्म करता है. फार्मूला, अगर कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स फार्मूला है तो उसकी जगह हम क्या करेंगे? फंक्शन यूज करेंगे. सो दिस इज द फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. नाउ कम टू द ट्रू और फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. थर्ड, ट्रू फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. A. A formula are built in Excel? No, function will be built in Excel, so it will be false. B. A formula always begin with a plus sign? No, equal to sign, so it will be false. C. Operator specify the type of calculation you want to perform? Yes, operator will specify the type of calculation you want to perform. It will be true. D. Equal to, less than equal, greater than equal to is a reference operator. No, it's a comparison operator, so it will be false. D. Then E. Function or predefined formula? Yes, it will be true. Functions are predefined formula. Now come to answer the following question. Fourth question answers. A. Question is, explain the two different type of data present in Excel. Explain two different type of data present in Excel. Explain two different type of data in Excel. So let's answer. So everyone will come to the page number 92. Come to the page number 92, and formula and function heading is there. Let's see. Formula and function heading is there. Formula and function heading is there. That heading you have to write. From here, constant and formula are two types of Excel. Page number 92. Page number 92. Constant, you will start from constant. Okay, and you will complete third paragraph, second line, new value. New value. third paragraph till second line. B. Next question. Next question is define the following: cell reference and cell range. B first, cell reference, and second, cell range. Let's see where it is given. So page number 93. Page number 93. Page number 93. Heading is there. Heading is there. Cell range and cell reference. Heading you have to write. Heading. जो heading दिया हुआ है उसी heading से आपको लिखना है. Cell reference and cell range both. Clear? Let's come to the next question. Next question is what are operator? Name the different type of operator with example. C. Operator. Operator and types of operator. Let's see the answer. It's page number 93 and 94. Page number 93 and 94. I think it's 93 only. Page number 93 only. Question is what are operators? So first you will define the operator. So here page number 93, operator heading is there. Page number 93, operator heading. Operator heading. So operator heading, one line heading is there. A formula can contain one or more operator. Any operator specify the type of calculation you want to perform. Then you will write arithmetic operator and comparison operator both and table also. Arithmetic and comparison operator both you have to write with table also. Operator heading. With टेबल डायग्राम. ये जो टेबल दिया हुआ है उसे आपको बनाना भी है, जिसमें स्पेसिफाई किया हुआ है कौन कौन से ऑपरेटर होते हैं और उनको उसको डिस्क्रिप्शन भी दिया हुआ है. ये दोनों आपको बनाने हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What are function? Name the different types of function. What are function and name different types of function. So come to page number 99. D. Function and types of function. Function and type of function. D. Function. Page number 99. Come to page number 99. Function heading is there. Function heading. And you will write function heading. So you will write complete heading. A function is a built-in से लेकर sum तक. Sum. Here. Then what you have to do? Type of function. Page number 99 and page number 100. Type of function. Page number 99 and 100. Type of function. Here, type of function, you have to write the category of function and describe one line. category of function and describe one line. Page number 100, till database. Till database heading. Till database heading. Okay. And last question, how will you perform common calculation in Excel? E. How will you perform common calculation in Excel? First one, you can quickly perform common calculation on a number in your worksheet. For example, you can calculate the sum of list of numbers. Then you will write a state. Then write state with diagram. Okay, class 6. So this is your exercise part C, and if you have any doubt you can comment. So I hope you will understand how to do exercise. So my next target is next chapter, means chapter number 9, means the exercise portion will cover for chapter number 9, but study portion will cover chapter number 8 and 9 both. Thank you.